Hello there, welcome back. Today, let's draw a ship. So, grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's draw the body of the ship. Now, let's draw the cabin. Flag, now the funnel and the smoke. Now let's draw the window, and then let's draw two curves on the body of the ship. Now let's draw some wave. Using a black marker or a black sketch, draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.